you're sober, when you've showered and changed, you give it up like it's over, but never give it away. And I don't wanna fall for you this time. I can't find the truth in all the lies. If I could, I would, believe me. If I could, I wouldn't need you. I don't wanna fall for you this time. You've been calling me 1,000 times all through the night.
Yo, welcome to another Hyperdrive Live trading session. I am your host, Coach CJ, and I'm excited for you to be here. We'll be live in a few moments trading the Nasdaq futures market using the hyperdrive system. If this is your first time trading with me, buckle up, because we trade a fast-paced but simple, color-coded, and highly efficient system I created to be in and out of the markets in 90 minutes or less. If after watching this session you want to learn this system, grab my hyperdrive instruction manual with the link in the description. You'll be added to our private community and receive 30 days of live trading for free on Zoom with zero delay. Before we start, do me a big favor and make sure you like, subscribe, and share this stream with others. I greatly appreciate that gesture of support. All right, the market is about to open soon, so let's get this session started. See you in 3, 2, 1. Enjoy the show.
Yo, what's going on, everybody? Good morning. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Do a quick sound check. Give me a 777 in the chat. You guys can hear me all right on Zoom as well. Give me something in the chat on Zoom. Let me know we're good on sound. I mean, on YouTube as well. Excellent. Appreciate you. What's going on, family? What's up, George, Jimmy P, Carl, Christine, Juliet, Jim B, Jazzy J. What's up, Lars on YouTube? Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Sound is great. Excellent. Happy Tuesday, April 1st. April 1st, new month. New month. We're in a stalemate right now. 1 and 3, stalemate 5, red. We do have news at 10 a.m. red folder. The first day of the month. It's April Fool's Day as well. Let's try not to get fooled by the market this morning. Seeing we're putting in this little trend line going here right now. Pre-open. Market's gonna open up here in 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Let's see. 3 minutes volume is low. The trend is still red, and it's up there about 70 points. 5 minute is fully in alignment. If that was gonna flip, it would need to get up about 100 points. And the 1 minute. Also holding on to the red, but volume is blue. So we'll see. I'm okay with this. Kind of wanted to wait around until 10 o'clock anyway, closer to 10 o'clock. So we have two folders upcoming, 9:45 and 10 o'clock. But this one here, Jolt's job openings, we always, like the name says, we always see a nice little jolt in the market. So don't mind not being in alignment right out the gate. That way we can kind of flow into the market here, wait for things to get on our side, whichever side that's going to be, and then we can ride from there. Makes sense. Market's going to open up here in a minute and a half. Yeah, makes sense. People watching on YouTube can see the chat now, so be present. Come on now, show the energy. Show them the energy you guys bring every morning. I know it's early for some of you. What up, Blue? All right, market's opening here in 40 seconds. What's up, Sharif? We got a little fake news line forming here on the 3 minute. Well, it's going to be on all time frames, but people coming in on the waiting room. Market's about to open here. We'll see what happens. Like I said, we're in a stalemate on the 1 and 3, alignment on the 5 for the sales. 3 minute is close to flipping back. 1 minute has some work to do from a volume perspective. So we'll see how we open up. From a daily target perspective, this low here at 18,976, if we are going to stay sell side, is March low, the March low just from this previous month. So that's the only daily target that we have. That was yesterday's low. That's the only daily, that's the nearest daily target. The other ones are going to be around 18,500. There's two, and then we got some monthly lows from back in the day, from late last year, way down there, way down there. All right, market's open. First set of news at 9:45, and then the big news at 10 a.m. What's up, Cindy? What's up, Bob? All right, I'm gonna watch this from the 1 minute. I'm breaking that little trend up that we had going. First minute is bearish. 3 minute is back in alignment. Wait, actually, no, that's not true. It's open a candle, so we gotta wait. Possibly. Trying to get there. Mhm. All right, we're supporting off of 350 at the moment. Still in the stalemate on the 1 and 3. 3 minutes not gonna, doesn't look like it's gonna flip here. What's up, Arnie? Yeah, 30 seconds to go here. This is going bullish engulfing here on the 30 minute. All right, bullish first three with bullish engulfing candle here. 1 minute is now possibly flipping over to buys. My chart froze. Oh wait, here we go. Yeah, my chart froze. Not my trading view chart. My top step X chart. Okay, not on NQ though, which I don't want to be on. Shit. Yeah. Anybody else's MNQ chart on Top Step X freeze? No? Just me? We're back. I just had to refresh. Good to go. Good to go. All right. What happened there? 1 minute didn't do anything. We ended up closing back below the trend line. It looks like. Yeah, we did. Ended up closing back below. Not this trend line. The super trend line. Closed back below it. And still holding on to a stalemate on the 1 and 3. 5 minute is still red. We did flip this. We did flip that overall like fake news line I threw in there though. We closed below it, wicked above it, and dropping now. That first, no, that wasn't the first 5. All right, we got 2 seconds here. The 1 minute, 3 minute might be coming back. 3 minute did just come back. 1 minute active candle. This is an active candle. Let's just wait at least another minute here. We're not fully in alignment here. 1 minute has an active candle. Everything did close below 350 on that wick. On that last candle. But we're waiting here just because the 1 minute is active. This is active, so I want to wait. Make sure this not a fake out. Not an April Fool's. I don't want to be April Fooled right there. All right, we did flip. We did officially flip. Did officially flip. 400 would be up first. Or if this 3 minute closes back below 350. So I'm gonna take a sale once we get up to 400. If we get up to 400, or if we close back below here, below 350. We got a minute and 20 seconds left in this 3 minute candle. We're playing around below it. Might want to get in this. Let's see what happens here. We got a minute left in this 3 minute stick. All right, 1 minute to go here. We're back above 350. Yeah, 400 would be first up. 400 would be first up. At the moment, we're closing back above 350, so I'm taking a sell at 400 if we can reach it. We got 15 seconds left in this 3 minute candle. We're in alignment on all time frames, so we're good there. 1 minute is still building a volume as well, so and so is the 5. 3, 2, 1. All right, we closed above 350, so again, looking for 400 if we can get up there. Looking for 400 if we can get up there. $380 area. 394. 5. 400. I'm in. I'm in here at 400. Almost BE. We were almost BE. Have 1 minute left in this candle. Pushing up past our entry at 407. Roll over, come on. SL. Not even close yet. Should be in profit. Playing around here. We do have news in 3 minutes. 390, 388. Low key, we're playing around with this trend line that I drew. I need to break back below it. There we go. Come on. Come on. 387, 385, 381. Trying to give it space, but want to go break even. Get back down to that 381 area. I'm gonna take it. All right, I'm going to break even here. We should push through 75. Come on. I went break even already. There it is. There's break even for sure. Come on, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. Nice. Nice. Come on. We're getting some support here off of 75. Might take us out. But all good. Early shot here. Still in. But we do have the news at 10 o'clock, so I'm okay with that attempt. We made it to break even at minimum, at worst case. Let me know. I'm still in. It needs to get up a little bit more. All right, now I'm out. All right, out of break even on that. Okay, let's sit back and wait a little bit. Let's wait. We got this news coming at 9:45. It's trying to buy up. Like we're starting to get a little shift here down on the 1 minute. We might end up flipping the one again or getting back into a stalemate at least. So with the news coming in at more so at 10 o'clock again, because we know every month we get the jolt with the jolts job openings. So should be out at BE on that. Jimmy, I don't know. I have no idea how you got SL on that. It only went up to 415 unless you entered 10 points too soon. Everybody should be BE on that one. 1 minute is closing here soon. Yeah, we just closed back into a stalemate there on the one. Yeah, exactly. Sometimes we're in the money on that, and sometimes it wicks us and then goes. So I'm okay with this. I kind of came into the session wanting to wait till 10 o'clock, but took that first opportunity and it made it to break even. So that's a win. What's fishy about all this is this bearish engulfing candle. Obviously, you guys should be able to see we had a bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, and that ended up is getting violated right now. Didn't continue. So we'll see. What's up, Jalen? This daily target right here at 49, we hit that overnight. That was yesterday's high. So that already got taken out. I just left it there. But if we go bullish, we don't really have a daily target until 20,011. The huge gap, huge imbalance here at the 10 o'clock hour from yesterday. So we could have something inside of there. That'd be around 734 area. But we got to flip first. 1 minute, we're all over the place. 1 minute's blue, 3 is stalemate, 5 is red. So, and structure is showing bullish at the moment. All right, 3 minute is not far from flipping here. Got to close above 75, and then the 5 needs to close above 500 and have the volume, which is it's right there. So one big push up, and we'll be looking at this from the buy side. It's going to be closer to 10 o'clock. Let me know if you have any questions while we wait. We'll take a quick pause here in a second. We are live all week. We got good news all week. All right, I'll be back in a few minutes.
can't deny all the chances I didn't take. But I survived without the promises you didn't make. I know we weren't always set in stone, but I know I took too long with this love. Yeah, I'd rather be alone, 'cause I am right where I belong, still holding on. I need you in 1,000 ways, still dreaming while I'm wide awake. They told me I'm insane, 'cause you don't feel the same, but I just ain't mad that day. I just want you, don't want nobody else, don't want nobody else but you. I just want you, don't want nobody else, don't want nobody else but you. But you, but you, but you, but you, but you, but you. When you told me to make up my mind, babe, it was already made up. Love the way that you're driving me crazy, and you don't even wear makeup. Can I stay the night? And I'll be down for life. Keep you by my side. I will always do you right. I just want you, don't want nobody else, don't want nobody else but you. I just want you, don't want nobody else, don't want nobody else but you. But you, but you, but you, but you, but you, but you.
Alrighty. Still in the same spot. Five minutes to 10 here. 30-minute looks pretty bearish there. 15-minute does as well, especially where that just came from, where that price action just fell from. 1 hour does as well. 1 hour, 30-minute, 15-minute all support that imbalance. It just got hit a rejection off of 450. We just closed back below this fake news line up drew in there. News in 2 minutes and 22 seconds. Still no alignment for us. I mean, I guess when you're in a stalemate and you're trying to, predict which way it's going to go. It's the only reason why I'm looking at them right now. Because I'm trying to get ahead of it a little bit and see, what I think from a higher time perspective, which way it's going to go. Other than that, I really don't look at them too much. Unless it's a slow market like this and we're reading price, Put that back up there. The question was, when do you recommend using the higher time frames for those couldn't see the chat. I just threw it back up on the screen. Yeah. I mean, since we opened up, we had this fake down, this 3-minute bearish engulfing that, just halted and then started buying back up. Structure shifted back to the upside. So it's like higher time frame is showing one thing, but this reaction here should go and put in a lower low if it's going to do that. If we get above these highs here, then it's looking like it's going to buy. If we get above these highs right here, because these are our lows, this was our opening high. Put this bearish engulfing in. We should have dropped through these lows, but we failed to go lower, and instead we got a higher high put in this structure here. But yeah, I went to the higher time frame because we're not in line for anything, so this is where you can play the guessing game a little bit. So we got this imbalance here. 10 o'clock's opening right now. We have an imbalance on the 1. We have an imbalance on the 15. All bearish, all a bearish imbalance. Pre-news rejection off of 450. Again, if this is gonna go, it's gotta get lower than these lows. This candle just opened up crazy. Does that make sense, Blue? I feel like because most of the time, I'm not looking for huge moves that I need to look higher than the 5-minute, because our moves are 50 points. If I was looking for a 150 point, 200 point move, more so swinging, intraday, stuff like that, I would 100% bring in the higher time frames just to kind of build a case. Not necessarily to look at all right, my alignment on the 1 hour is this, or my alignment on the 30-minute is that, but really just to kind of get a, overall foundation of what the story is being told higher time frame. If I was looking, to do something where I'm targeting an imbalance or targeting a quarter level above the imbalance to then see if it's going to come down here, like the 140 point move. Or these lows, or the low of the day, that's those are huge moves. I'm looking for a fraction of that. Looking for a fraction of that. and if we can catch a run, you know, to something. Because if you like lower time frame, if we have the foundation of the higher time frame on our side, then the pathway is at minimum this low. You know, like if this is going to hold to go lower low, it has to get lower than this low. So this should go to here. So if we're internally able to catch a move in here or in here, then not only are we looking for 50 points, somebody could look to try to hold for whatever the remainder of a minimum this low is. That could be 60, that could be 75, that could be 100, you know? So it can get pretty deep. It just depends on what the goal is. Just depends on the goal. Like same thing internally here, right? If we were in alignment for sales, like obviously we got a one low here, one low here. Like we first of all gotta take this low out, then we can reach past this low. But that would shows that structure going bearish. And I think for us anyway, we have to get below this first group in order to. No, actually, the 1 minute is way down here. We would have to get lower than both of these on the one just to flip the trend back. And 10 o'clock really didn't do much. Not as decisive as I wanted it to be. We're playing literally in the middle of the 3 minute range right now. Wicks on the top, wicks on the bottom. You can see that pretty clearly on the 15 minute. For some reason, this trend line right here is that I drew is like holding really nicely. Yeah, I mean, it jolted. It jolted. It just didn't, hasn't continued either direction yet. Still playing monkey in the middle. It seems like a consolidated morning so far. I mean, it definitely is a consolidated morning, but what I mean by that, it may continue throughout the session. We haven't had one. I keep thinking we're going to get one, and we haven't had one. Like, I say that because the morning starts off slow, but then it just speeds up because, I mean, that's just the volatility that we're living in right now, which is completely fine. I mean, that's what we want. We want it to speed up. But we haven't had just a straight sideways day in a while. Even that day a couple weeks ago where we didn't take a trade, it wasn't that the day was sideways. We just got into alignment late. You know, we were deeply in sale environment, but stalemate on one of our time frames, and it just kept chopping its way to the upside. And by the time it flipped, it was past 11 for me. So I wouldn't say that's a consolidated day just because we didn't take a trade. But this right now is just trash. It's just literally just popping up and coming right back into like this zone. It's like a magnet is sitting right up in here. The only thing that I again, the whole case that's built around it looking left is showing bearish, but this price action currently in this leg is showing me just consolidation because we went up into it and then we sold off from it, but we haven't done what we needed to do. This is a failure to go lower at the moment. Every time I fund a PA account. Tell me about it. Hey, it's all good, man. We need these days too. They gotta wash out the market. These are the days where traders get back profits. So we need these days. Trying to balance the books. Market's trying to balance the books. Market's got bills too. Bills to be paid is April 1st. We ain't no fools over here yet. We chilling. We chilling. We ain't no alignment, no trade. We took the one we took. We snuck out of there at break even. See what I mean? I think consolidation and then boom, here we go. We still need to get below, I think it was 300. No, not even 275. I think the 1 minute needs to get below. At like 290. We'll see if this continues. This is a 3-minute bearish engulfing candle. The next candle is going to tell something, or if this is a sweep, if we don't close below these lows. Or are we about to have something like this happen? Or it just blows right past that. Low volume days are nobody's fave. Especially when your strategy is all based on momentum. Yeah, the market's got to wash out though, so. Any more questions? That was a great question, Blue. About the higher time frames. I got 20 seconds left in this candle. Again, it's forming bearish engulfing at the moment. Still got 15 seconds. Possibly going to close below this low here, which would extend the structure. Then it has to get below this low here. It will change the character basically back to bearish. And it did close below. Next candle will tell a lot. Well, the next candle come up here, reject off of 350, the HDL, and drop. It is 10:09. We're done with news. Five and 3 are in alignment for sales. The 1 minute is what we'll be waiting on, and it's just the trend. It's not the volume. The volume was already there. It's a breakout or a fake out? What y'all think? Breakout or fake out? Fake out meaning we're about to just consolidate back into the zone, or a breakout meaning we're gonna continue going down. What y'all say? Jazzy J says breakout. George and Cindy say fake out. Blue says breakout. She took April Fool's Day a bit too seriously. Fake out, breakout. You guys are 50-50 here. I actually, when this candle was up here, I was going to go say fake out, but now I'm leaning towards breakout. But my original answer would have been, to be fair, would have been fake out. It still can be. This could be the first time we get 2 in a row on the bear side. Oh no, we had a bearish engulfing candle off of here. I didn't notice that. Had a bearish engulfing candle off that 450 where it tapped into the 30-minute, 1 hour. I think it was even the 15-minute imbalance. Bearish engulfing off of it. And then a continuation. Then we went sideways and now we're dropping. 45 seconds to go in this 3-minute candle. Looks like a breakout is forming. If we can get below this low. Oh. Oh. Ten seconds to go. Didn't close below the low on that one. Did wick it and extended it. It did continue on that 3-minute engulfing. Still very much up in the air if this is a breakout or a fake out. I would say a confirmed breakout if we close below that 311 low. Till we take that, I'm staying with my fake out answer. This 3 minutes could lead us into a sale also, just depending on how aggressive it is. If it does drop past and close past 289, we could be looking at 300 for a sale, but we need a couple more 1 minute candles in here. We got the volume on the one, it's just waiting on the trend, and that line is right there. All right. All right. I'm saying I think you guys say breakout were right. I think my breakouts were right. I think my breakouts were right. We have 1:10 left in this candle. This candle it is right now within reach of flipping us with the 1 minute. One minute left in this 3 minute candle. We're right on top of that trend line. We need this 3 minute to close below that 289 area. New 3 minute stick. We did close below 300, but we're still in a stalemate on the one. All right, we're right there. I'm watching this on the 1 minute now. It's not in alignment by a hair. No, she doesn't. I'm kind of like, I'm on the edge of my seat right now, wanting to just sail off of 300 if it closes back below it on the 1 minute here. Which would also close it back below on the 3 minute here. But I know, right? April Fools. Yeah, thank you for reminding me. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Shoot, April, literally April Fools. Literally. Oh, that's hilarious. Never mind. I'm no longer in the edge of my seat. I'm sitting back. Very, very tempting though. I wouldn't be surprised. Is Ken on here? Wouldn't be surprised if Ken does it. Or if he already been in. Is Ken on here? Oh, he is on here. Just close below. Come on. Oh, you already did. You did your rebel for the day. Yeah. All right. We just closed below 300 on the back on the 1 here. We're literally right there. I'm waiting fully for it to be red. I would much rather take it with it being completely there. I'm loving this bullish engulfing candle that got pushed up here on the 1 right to the low. It had to be broken, and then we just started seeing rejection. This putting a lower low will give us our full alignment. And then we get the retest of 300, and then we get the drop to 250. Slap. Sound like a plan? Blue, you get that? Have you seen that that comedy special? It's 350 up next. No, not yet. We're not in alignment yet. We're about to be. 3, 2. Don't you do it. Okay. All right. Let's check the 3 real quick. Active candle. Let's wait 1 minute. Make sure we close below 300 again. It's the one by what's his name? Oh, he's hilarious too. I saw him. We actually went to go see him in Grand Rapids. He opened up for Martin Lawrence. He was really the star of the show. Not looking at 300 yet. We got 35 seconds waiting for it to close below 300 here on the 3 minute chart. It's playing around it right now on the 1 minute. It's wicking around it. Don't leave us. Don't leave us. Don't leave us. I'm setting up 300. Got 13 seconds. I have faith in you. You're gonna pull back for us. Dion Cole, Blue. Dion Cole was is the comedian. He came up with the acronym SLAP, SLAP for sounds like a plan. All right, I got a sale limit set at 300 for the sale, obviously. Hopefully we didn't just miss it. Closed below here, and then it came back up and literally wicked and dropped straight to break even there. So 300 is set up at the moment. $285, $289. Come on, come grab us. Come give us a touch, and I'm in. Now roll over. Don't come back up there. Why are you coming back up so hard? Just a little kiss and drop. Hold on to this. Hold on to this area right here. Hold on to that area right there. Hold on to that area right there. I got 300 on the dot. I just put on the sale limit on that one. Are you April Foolsing us anyway? Don't do it. Don't be like that. Don't be like that. Still ain't by a hair. Don't go no high. All right, I'm out on that one. Out skis on that. All right, minus 25. Let's see what she does next. 350 will be up next if we get up there. I am open for it. Deeper retracement. I swear, if this is a wick out and this thing drops. Got 15 seconds left here. We're above 325 at the moment. Back below it. All right, that was a bullish engulfing candle. Let's see if it leads us to 350. If not, we close back below 300. I'll replay it. As of right now, it just wicked our stop loss. $350 looks good. We got a deeper pullback. We got the J4 near. 5-minute J4 is probably near there as well. That's a little higher at 375. 1-minute J4 is right there as well. And I am going in at 350 here. I got 353. Slow down there, boss. Slow down there, lady. That was what, the 50%? I think there was an imbalance right there on the one as well. Yeah, there was one there. Yep, 50% on the, oh wait. Yeah, looks like 50% on the dot, maybe just underneath 50%. We're in profit at the moment. That was a bullish engulfing that continued. We did close back below 350. We need the next one to go bearish. Start working our way back down. Start working our way back down here. Should be go break even there. PE on this one. We have a I'm taking profit at 300 for sure. We can get down there. We would need to blow past this area here, but we did push pretty nice. That's the start of our bullish engulfing. There's an imbalance right there. So we're about 40 points in profit at the moment. Still at break even. Gonna give it a little space. See if we can just push straight through here. Get us to 300 and we can get up out of here. Plus 25 for the day. Right now we're worst case minus 25. Had an imbalance right there on the 3 minute. It just reacted off strongly from. Come on, pushes back down here. All right, I just got taken out at break even on that one. At the moment, he's either 400 or a close below 300. George took 25. Nice. So you're break even for the day at the moment. I kind of want this just to close above 350. I want to get back. I would like to get back in this if it's for us. I don't want to force it, but it's also rejecting. But we need to close above it. It might leave us though. There's the actual 50% of this move and the full fill of this imbalance. Or you just touch the J4 on the 3 minute. Uh, 400 would be next. I didn't think we would get up there, but if we do get up there, it is 100% valid to take. We're at 360 right now. I'm minus 25 right now. Most of you guys probably are. Break even on the first one. Took an L on the second one. I think that's how that went. Or took an L on the first one. Break even on the second one. I don't remember. I'm minus 25 though. I'm wanting this to close above 350. BESLB. Got it. Come on, close above 350. Looks like it will. 15 seconds to go. So I'm open for 350 again. If it closes back below, it gives a retest. As long as it closes above it now, which it looks like it is. Oh, okay, it did. All right, so either 400 I'll take, and I have set 400 right now, or we close back below 350. 350 is closer. One minute is definitely looking like it wants to roll. Just put in a swing high. Right at this imbalance, right at this 50% level. We have 2 minutes left in the 3-minute candle. We put in a bullish engulfing candle here.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met.
One more minute in that 3-minute candle. We're above 350 to start this candle off.
I hope you'll still want me. I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000 years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. Sail across the lights beyond the
Playing around it with 30 seconds to go. There, we just supported off of it. Oh, wait, we're back. Whoop, whoop, whoop. 3, 2, 1. I don't know what you did there. What did you do there? Close just above it. 350 and a quarter. Not taking it. Close just above it. 350 and a quarter.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day
It's okay.
I don't wanna leave your side.
I'm on the edge of my seat again. Let me sit back.
By your side when the sun sets.
400 is still up next.
Let's leave for an eternity. Sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love. It keeps me high. Keeps me high.
I feel like I'm doing way too much drawing today on the chart, which means that we're clearly consolidated. Mine is a disaster. Yeah, when it starts getting when you start getting blinded by your drawings, it's like clearly this market ain't smooth. You gotta do all this drawing. I got trend lines up here. I got order blocks all over the place. Like, what the heck? The heck is going on here? Trying to make it make sense. Yeah, exactly. I'm telling you, man, these are the days I hear people blow their accounts that when they don't have a system, well, let's just be blunt. They don't have hyperdrive. These are the days. because this market is literally telling you everything right now. I'm going up, I'm going down, I'm going up, no, I'm going down. Like, it's literally telling you, I see it all. I see every case being built out in the trading community is, yep, you're right, yeah, you're right, yep, you're right, I see that. But it's not up to us, it's up to the market. Yeah, very undecided news candle. I literally feel like that candle will literally split itself 50-50 on these wicks. How big is this wick? I literally feel like that candle has the same wicks on each side. 22 points, 22.25, 24.75, pretty much. The buyers have it, or the sellers have it by 2. Oh, shoot, there's 400. All right, I'm in. Got a pretty good entry. This might blow right past it. I didn't even check to make sure we still had the one. Yeah, we do still have the one. All right. I got a good entry on this. I'm in at 406. It snuck up on me. Nope, that wasn't the one either. I don't know if you guys grabbed that or not, but that's 0-2 for me. Well, that's 2 in a row for me. Well, that's minus 50 for me, I should say. Got April Food anyway. I can clean up all this mess. Get all this out of here. Minus 25. Minus 25. A lot of you guys didn't catch that second one. But either way, pack it 25 or 50. I'll just say pack it up. We're now possibly going into a stalemate. And then kind of in that back in that same, we're back in the same range we were in earlier. We had this nice push. Not much respect to go lower here. Shift it up back above these highs. We're showing bullish again. We're showing bullish again. Live tomorrow, live all week. Tomorrow is the 2nd. We got news beforehand. Nothing really during. Oh, we got root oil during. Thursday, Friday, we got news. Thursday, we had news during. Friday, we had news before. And Powell speaking just after. We're at the top where the drop began. See you tomorrow, Cindy. Yeah, we're out of here, guys. I went 0-2. Well, not 0-2, but I lost 50 points, so I'm going to call it good for the day. Per the trading plan. It is going to be a great week. It's going to be a great month. All right, family. I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you're looking for one more, due to the fact that you only lost 25, just wait for things to come back in alignment. It should smooth out as the day goes on, but if your trading plan says 11 o'clock, then you only got 18 minutes left. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for Tuesday. or for Wednesday. What's today? Tuesday for Wednesday session. You're welcome. Of course, you're welcome. You're welcome. If you guys need anything from me, you know where to find me. Thanks for watching on YouTube. Before you head out, give me a like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Appreciate you. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out for now.
Don't leave me. Save me.